Planning to explore Birmingham without the hassle of dragging your luggage around? Radical Storage provides a quick, safe solution to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, we'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Birmingham using Radical Storage, a trusted platform offering secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses, such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your luggage is safe and fully insured while you explore the city. You could search for Radical Storage online, but beware of phishing sites. For security, use the official link provided to access Radical Storage. Once on the website, finding a luggage storage point in Birmingham is easy. Simply type Birmingham into the search bar, and a list of available storage locations across the city will appear. Choose the location most convenient for you, whether near tourist attractions, transit stations, or in the city center. Next, select your preferred drop-off and pickup times, and proceed to payment. Radical Storage ensures safe online transactions, so you can book with confidence. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the luggage storage point. When you arrive, show the reference to the staff, and they'll securely store your luggage. That's it. You're free to explore Birmingham, knowing your belongings are safely stored with Radical Storage. If this guide was helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.